In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide game activity on Steam Profile. If you want a little more privacy on Steam, this is a quick setting that can make a big difference. By adjusting your profile privacy, you can control who sees the games you own, the achievements you've earned, and how long you've played. This is especially useful if you want to keep your activity visible only to friends or completely hidden from everyone. To get started, open Steam and look at the top right corner of the screen. Click your username, then choose View My Profile from the drop-down menu. This will take you directly to your public profile page, where you can manage how your account appears to other people. Once you're on your profile, click Edit Profile. This opens the profile customization area, where Steam lets you update everything from your avatar and bio to your privacy options. For this tutorial, we're focusing specifically on controlling game visibility. Next, select Privacy Settings. This section is where Steam stores the main options that determine what other users can and can't see on your profile. If you've never changed these settings before, it's a good idea to look through them carefully so you understand what is public and what is restricted. Now find the Game Details setting. This is the option that controls your game activity. Here, you'll choose the privacy level that works best for you. If you select Private, Steam will hide your games, achievements, and playtime from everyone. That means no one else will be able to view your game activity on your profile. If you choose Friends Only, then only people on your friends list will be able to see that information. This is a good middle ground option if you still want to share your activity with people you know, while keeping it hidden from the public. After choosing your preferred setting, save your changes. This is the final step, and it makes sure your new privacy preference is applied to your account. Once saved, your Steam profile will reflect the visibility level you selected for your game details. If you ever want to change it again, you can return to the same privacy settings area and update it at any time. Keeping your profile settings up to date is a simple way to stay in control of what others can see. And that's how to hide game activity on Steam Profile.